morning, 7th grade choir. All right, for today's assignment, we're all going to be singing the song Shoe Fly, and I want everybody to look at part 1. Part 1 is always going to be the top staff on each system. Gentlemen whose voices have changed, and you know who you are, feel free to drop certain parts down into your range. So the first part of this song starts off, it's rhythmic, and we're going to speak it in rhythm. And it starts off with shoe, shoe fly, shoe fly, shoe, shoe fly, shoe fly, don't bother me, shoe. That's the whole introduction to it. Now, when we get to page 3, it looks like it takes the main melody and it passes it amongst everybody. So everybody sing each other's parts right here. So it does start off part 1, then it switches to part 2, then it switches to part 3, but everybody sing everything. And it starts off like this. Shoe fly, don't bother me. Shoe fly, don't bother me. Shoe fly, don't bother me, 'cause I belong to somebody. Then you switch up to part 1. Shoe fly, don't bother. Shoe fly, don't bother me. Shoe fly, don't bother, I belong to somebody. And it's a repeat. Shoe fly, don't bother. Shoe fly, don't bother me. Shoe fly, don't bother, I belong to somebody. Yes, to somebody. I feel like a morning star. 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 And that should have all sounded familiar as well. It just was a repeat. Then we're going to take a little break here with part 1 because they're going to be doing a little bit of rhythm speaking there in parts 2 and 3. You're going to come back in at the top of page 9 with flies in the buttermilk, shoe fly, flies in the buttermilk, shoe fly, flies in the buttermilk, shoe fly. And then we got to rest, ready, and shoe fly, don't bother me, shoe fly, don't bother, shoe fly, don't bother me, I belong to somebody. Shoe fly, don't bother, shoe fly, don't bother me, shoe fly, don't bother, I belong to somebody. Shoe fly, don't bother me, 'cause I belong to somebody. Shoe fly, shoe. All right, let's try the whole thing all the way through. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and shoe, shoe fly, shoe fly, shoe, shoe fly, don't bother me, shoe. Shoe fly, don't bother me, shoe fly, don't bother me, shoe fly, don't bother me, 'cause I belong to somebody. Shoe fly, don't bother, shoe fly, don't bother me, shoe fly, don't bother, I belong to somebody. Shoe fly, don't bother, shoe fly, don't bother me, shoe fly, don't bother, I belong to somebody. Yes, to somebody. I feel like a morning star. 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 1, 2, top of 9. Flies in the buttermilk, shoe fly. Flies in the buttermilk, shoe fly. Flies in the buttermilk, shoe fly. 1, 2, ready, and shoe fly, don't bother. Shoe fly, don't bother me. Shoe fly, don't bother, I belong to somebody. Shoe fly, don't bother. Shoe fly, don't bother me. Shoe fly, don't bother, I belong to somebody. Shoe fly, don't bother me, 'cause I belong to somebody. Shoe fly, shoe. All right, your question of the day, because here's where I'm going to do things a little bit differently. Yesterday was a little bit confusion for the 5th, 6th, and 8th grade kids because they weren't used to creating that extra document and sending back. So instead of creating a new document today, what I want you to do is just send me a private message to answer this question. We learned a lot about systems yesterday, and today we were only singing the top staff within each system, which would be the part 1. Okay, I want you to look at page 10 of this song, Shoo Fly, Don't Bother Me, and tell me how many systems do you see on page 10. Shoot me a private message. Please don't put it on a big class discussion because I don't want everybody to see your answers. And I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks, kids.